We are a generation of escape artists. We fill our silences with noise, our nights with light, and our minds with endless distractions. We do this for one simple reason. We are terrified of what we might hear if the world finally went quiet. We are running not from an enemy outside, but from the shadows we carry within. But Corvus knows a secret that humans often forget. You can travel to the ends of the earth, but you will still find yourself waiting there. Your shadow is not a monster. It is simply the parts of you that you have refused to look at, your failures, your secret shames, and the dreams you were told were too big for you. You call it darkness and try to lock it away in the basement of your soul. Yet notice how the shadow never leaves. It does not fight you. It simply waits. It waits for the moment you realize that by running from your shadow, you are also running from your strength. To stop running is the bravest thing a person can do. It begins when you turn around and look into that darkness. Imagine it as a mirror in a dimly lit room. At first, you see only the edges of your fear. But if you stay long enough, if you breathe through the discomfort, you will see that the shadow is just a lost part of yourself asking to come home. You don't need to be perfect to be at peace. You only need to be whole. Corvus does not fear the night, for he knows that stars cannot be seen without it. Tonight, stop the pursuit. Put down the heavy armor of perfection. Sit in the quiet. Invite your shadows to the table. For in the heart of what you fear most lies the gold of who you truly are. The wings of wisdom only grow when you stop trying to fly away from your own heart. Welcome home to yourself.